Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda and I'm going to give you 3 tips right now on how you can grow a booty. Tip number 1, you gotta eat more. Seriously, us girls can sometimes get a little bit caught up on trying to get that number on the scale down, that we forget that if we want to grow muscle, we actually need to be eating. And just as importantly, we need to be eating enough protein too. Tip number 2, stop doing so much freaking cardio. Seriously, cardio is obviously great for so many other reasons, but if you want to grow a booty, you need to be doing resistance training, whether that be in the form of body weight training, plyometrics, you know, jumping around and stuff, weight training, whatever it is, you gotta start using resistance on those peaches so that they grow. Tip number 3 is be patient. Guys, building muscle takes time. Seriously, take some deep breaths and chill. You will get there. If you follow those 3 steps, I guarantee you, and you're consistent, I guarantee you, you will get there. If you guys are wanting more specifics on those 3 tips, I highly recommend you check out the description box below. I've got some extra resources that will help you. And if you're in the mood for some Wednesday night entertainment, I highly recommend you check out the rest of this video. I have a very interesting story for you.
Hello dear, I'm your fairy godmother and I've come to give you 3 top tips on how to grow a big booty like Kim K. Tip number 1, you got to eat more dear, especially get that protein into you. You can't build something from nothing, you know. Tip number 2 dear, you've got to exercise. But I don't just mean running on the treadmill. I mean, use those peaches. Squat what your mama gave you. Tip number 3, dear, be patient. You know, big booties weren't built in a day. My fairy godmother friend, she's actually got a whole community, dear, based on how to grow a big booty. She cuts through all the bullshit and gives you the hard facts. So if you're interested, I'll put the link in the description box below. Now I promise dear, if you follow these 3 tips, you'll get a booty better than Kim K. Cause let's be honest dear, we don't know what junk is in that trunk. Did you like the video dear? Give it a thumbs up. And if you really like the video dear, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.